Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a delicious recipe for you all. As you can see in the title, I'm gonna make barbecue pigtail. Guys, if you love pigtail, you're definitely gonna love barbecue pigtail. Yes, it's gonna be so delicious. So this is my pigtail right here, guys, that I wash and I soak it in some salt water just to remove, you know, anything that off the pigtail. And I also wash it in some lime juice. Okay, you can even wash it in vinegar also. So guys, this is just over 3 pounds of pigtail. Yeah, these are all of my seasoning. Here I have 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, and 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. I also have 2 teaspoons of jerk seasoning. Okay, 1 tablespoon of my pimento seed, 2 teaspoons of my garlic powder, and just over 1 tablespoon of my wet jerk marinate. So these are all of my fresh seasoning. Here I have 1 tablespoon of fresh thyme, 1 to 2 stalk of scallion, 5 cloves of garlic, and at least 2 inches of ginger that I cut. Okay guys, don't forget to please give me a thumbs up, share this video to someone that you know that will like it, and all across your social media. Guys, I really appreciate it. Thank you all. Stay tuned. I'm gonna boil my pigtail first. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add all my seasoning. So to my pot I add at least 15 cups of hot water. So I'm gonna add my seasoning, and this is just gonna flavor the pigtail, guys, all the seasoning and the herbs. Jerk seasoning, pimento seed, because you don't want to just boil your pigtail in just water, guys. You want to make sure that it is flavor. Guys, fresh pigtail is not the salted pigtail. I'm gonna add all my herbs. I'm gonna also add some salt, 1 teaspoon of salt. So guys, this is totally optional, but I'm gonna add some of my pineapple juice, and it's just gonna add more flavor, guys, to the pigtail. Okay, I'm gonna add at least 1 cup. You can also add orange juice. Yeah, that's it. And now I'm gonna add my pigtail. And guys, if you want, you can always cut your pigtail. I'm gonna cook it until it's nice and soft. I will let you guys know on exactly how long. It smells so good. You can smell the pineapple juice, the ginger. I'm telling you, it's gonna be so delicious. So now I'm gonna just off cover my pot so it doesn't boil over, and my stove is on a medium heat. Okay, stay tuned. So now guys, I'm gonna check back on my pigtail, and it's been cooking for just over 1.5 hours. Okay, and what I did, I changed the pot because that pot was too small. So this is what it looks like. And if the water is reducing, guys, you can always add some more water to it. Okay, so it is nice and tender. You want to make sure that the fork go right through it. See that? Yeah, that's what you want. Guys, it looks so good, and the smell is just amazing. So guys, I just drain off all the water from my pigtail, and this is what it look like. I'm telling you guys, it's looking so good already. It needs a sauce and it is good to go. And as I said, you can always cut it. Okay, these are all of my ingredients for my sauce. First, I'm gonna start off with my barbecue sauce. Here I have 1 cup of barbecue sauce, and you can use whichever barbecue sauce you have, okay? I also have just over half cup of ketchup, half cup of my sugar, that's light brown sugar, okay? And at least just over 1 cup to 1 cup of my pineapple juice, okay? And I'm also gonna add some orange juice, around half cup, guys. You don't need a lot, okay? I don't think I'm gonna use so much, but I'll let you guys know. This is my dark soya sauce, at least 1 teaspoon, and ginger. And I'm gonna use this amount of ginger, because you know ginger make everything nice. I love using fresh ginger in my sauce because it's gonna be so delicious, trust me. So guys, here I have my pot on my stove because I'm gonna make my sauce. Make sure your stove is on a low heat, okay? So firstly, I'm gonna add my pineapple juice, and my orange juice. So I leave back this amount of my orange juice, so I add at least 1/4 cup. Then I'm gonna add my ginger, and what I did, guys, I crushed my ginger, okay? So all that juice come right through. My dark soya sauce and my sugar. I'm gonna add my barbecue sauce, and my ketchup. You're just gonna whisk it so everything will all blend, okay? I'm gonna add my remaining orange juice just to loosen it up. So this is what it looks like. Looking so nice. I'm gonna add at least 1 teaspoon of my jerk powder seasoning. Yeah. And I'm also gonna add a half teaspoon of my jerk wet marinate, okay? You don't want to add too much because you know this thing right here is very spicy. And you can always taste it to your liking. And guys, I'm gonna add at least 1 tablespoon of my honey, and I'm just gonna leave it for at least 2 minutes, okay? Yes. So guys, just after 2 minutes, this is what my sauce look like. So what I did, I just turned on the stove really low, okay? So now I'm gonna add my pigtail, and I cut some of my pigtail a bit because you know they were looking, you know, too big, so I just cut them. I'm gonna cut some of them. So now that I add all my pigtail, I'm just gonna add the sauce. I'm just gonna pour the sauce on top. Guys, look at that. Super delicious. It's looking so good. I'm just gonna leave it, guys, on the stove top for at least 5 minutes, okay? So the sauce will nice and thicken up even more. I'm gonna turn up my stove. And I'm not gonna cover my pot, guys. I'm gonna leave my pot uncovered. So guys, as you can see, my sauce is coming right down, and this is exactly what you want. You want it to be nice and sticky. So now I'm gonna turn my stove off. Look at that, so delicious. The pigtail is nice and coated in the sauce, and that's exactly what you want. Pigtail, guys, look at that, so nice and so delicious. So that's my baking tray, and what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add it. Yeah, just like so. Look at all that goodness. This is so delicious, absolutely delicious, so yummy. So I'm gonna put it in my oven, guys, for at least 10 minutes, okay? Just spacing it out. And 10 minutes in the oven, as I said, and 180 degrees Celsius, because you want the sauce to stick on your pigtail, guys. So that's the reason why. So guys, I just removed my pigtail from the oven, and this is what it look like. It's been in the oven, guys. I put it on a broil, okay, for at least 10 minutes. But make sure you give an eye on it, because you don't want it to burn. Yes, as you can see, the sauce is all stick on it, and that's exactly what you want. Perfect. It came out good, real good. I'm gonna plate up my pigtail. Look at that, so yummy, absolutely delicious. It look like barbecue ribs. That's the vibe it's giving me. Guys, this is it. It is all plated up. Super, super yummy. Guys, if you do try it, please comment below and tell me what it's like, okay? Share it to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really, really appreciate it. Don't forget also to give me a thumbs up, okay? Yes, so yummy, absolutely delicious, super yummy. And guys, you can serve your pigtail with rice and peas, with mashed potato, salad, potato salad, whatever you prefer. Some white rice, anything. I'm gonna serve mine with some rice and peas. Yes, I thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you guys do enjoy it. Until next time, bye. Don't forget to keep laughing, keep smiling, no matter what. Bye guys, much love.